Are you using AI to help you in your business? Many of my executive coaching clients aren't using it, maybe are worried about it or don't think about it or don't think it's relevant for them. Well, if you're coaching with me, if you're a client of mine, if you work with me in any way, shape or form, I can guarantee that using AI like ChatGPT or Bard by Google or Anthropic, any of these ones, and these are just the basic ones, let alone the paid for versions, can help you right now in many of the things you're doing. And if you haven't looked into it, you're already behind the curve. So I really want to encourage you to just get on the platform, any platform, and get knowing what it's about and experiencing it. So many of my clients, when I talk to them about it, it's the first time they've used it. They're not really using it on a day-to-day basis or haven't even used it at all. So I just want to quickly show you what it can do, and bearing in mind that we are so behind the curve by just being at the beginning of this journey. Loads of people are using it in really interesting and new and novel ways, but let's get on the journey, otherwise we really will get left behind. So let's have a look at what it can do. If you haven't looked at ChatGPT before, let me just show you what it can do. So let me show you the basics. Let's look at ChatGPT, which is the most popular one at the moment. You can see here on the screen that you can log into chatopenai.com, get into ChatGPT. You might need to set up an account, and then you can just start doing some examples. These are called prompts. You put in here what you want to know. So what can I use ChatGPT for if I am an executive? You could ask it what you want to do. So let's see what it says. You could use it for idea generation, brainstorming, planning, data analysis, problem solving, drafting content. That's really useful. I find it much easier to amend content that's there rather than just create it on my own. Market research, decision support, blah, 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 blah. I mean, there's loads and loads of things here that it's saying that you can use ChatGPT for. For example, I might say, so tell me more about, what do we want to know more about? Tell me more about number one. So the thing is, you can really talk to it and have a conversation, and the value in this kind of software is when you continue to extend the conversation and you build on it rather than just asking it one thing and it answers. It can build out on some things. So here it's built out on the thing. You can learn a few more about these different ideas, and then you could say you can learn any more about any of these, or mental blocks. Say like you don't know what a mental block is, although of course we do. Tell me more about block. I probably know what it is even if I don't correct the spelling, but let's go for it. And then it can talk to you about that. So you can have a good conversation with it, if you like. It doesn't mean everything it says is true or accurate, but you still need to apply your brain to see that it's true or accurate, and you need to apply your brain in writing the prompts. That's where the skill set comes in. But if you don't know anything about it, just have a first go, please, and I will do some more videos to show you some other things that it can do that's quite clever. But for now, find a platform that you can use like ChatGPT or Bard by Google, or Anthropic, I think it's called, which I want to use more actually. So that's like an more ethical one allegedly. So I want to start using that more. Log on to any of these, get started, and then I'll do some more videos in due course. Good luck with it.